Offline marketing activities for manufacturing brands. If you are wondering if offline marketing is still relevant for your manufacturing brand, then please pay attention for the next 2 minutes. In a world which is now being dominated by digital strategies, offline marketing still stands tall as a powerful tool for manufacturing brands. While online tactics are definitely essential, incorporating offline activities into your marketing mix can help you reach a broader audience and build meaningful connections. Let's explore some effective offline marketing activities that can elevate your brand presence. Networking events. Nothing beats the power of face-to-face interactions. Hosting or participating in industry-specific networking events provides a unique opportunity to connect with potential clients, partners, suppliers, influencers, and many more. These events allows you to showcase your expertise, discuss industry trends, and establish credibility. Second, trade shows and exhibitions. Trade shows are like playgrounds for manufacturing brands. Setting up a booth at relevant exhibitions allows you to showcase your products, services, offerings to a targeted audience. It's a chance to engage directly with potential prospects, answer questions, and collect valuable leads. But make sure you market the participation very well. Example, if you are into rubber chemicals, you definitely need to be seen at India Rubber Expo. Number 3. Print collaterals. Traditional print material like brochures, business cards, and product catalogs still hold immense value. Designing eye-catching, informative material that represents your brand effectively is important. Distribute these materials at trade shows, networking events, or even through direct mail. A well-designed print catalog can definitely leave a lasting impression even today. Number 4. Seminars and workshops. Position your brand as an industry leader by hosting seminars or workshops. Share valuable insights, best practices, and industry knowledge. This not only establishes your expertise but also provides a platform for potential clients to engage with your brand. Hosting educational events creates a positive association with your business and can lead to increased trust and credibility. Number 5. Branded merchandise. Everyone loves freebies. Invest in high quality customized merchandise such as stationery, paperweights, or even apparel. Distribute these items at events, trade shows, or as a part of promotional campaign. Branded merchandise serves as a constant reminder of your brand, keeping you top of the mind when the potential clients are making business buying decisions. In conclusion, offline marketing activities 100% complement digital efforts and offer a unique set of advantage for manufacturing brands. By incorporating these offline tactics and combining it with your digital marketing, you can create a well-rounded approach that maximizes your brand's reach and impact. Stay tuned for the next video.